I'm going to set my ground speed to where I know I'm comfortable. And I've driven the machine a few times, so I know I like to be about 45. I think that's a pretty good speed. And I'm going to start with an application, a pump percentage at 40. Now I'm going to look at my spray bar output, and if my application is a little heavier light, I'll make adjustments to that. So here we go. And I'm spraying at a 0.14. So if I want a heavier application, I'm just going to increase the pump speed. I'm going to show the turning radius of the machine real quick. So I'm going to wet the surface, and then I'm going to open the squeegee and show how the squeegee operates. I got to open my manual valve. Now I'm open and I'm ready to squeegee. So when I open my knife valve and I start metering material, I'll have full squeegee control. So there we demonstrated how the spray system works, how it can increase or decrease the application rate by increasing the pump output or increasing or decreasing the ground speed. It gives the operator the flexibility to adjust the application rate to what's comfortable for them. So if they want to run faster, they can just increase the pump and do it that way to maintain it. And then the squeegee operation, we can meter by the valve. I have the valve wide open, but I can meter it a little bit too. Again, when we're doing seal, it's going to flow a little bit slower than it does with water. But it gives you a pretty good idea how the operation of the machine works.